the lower species, in terms of numbers, they far outnumber the humans. That means almost everyone is in tamaguna. That means they don't make the endeavor. Tamasima jyotir gamaya. They don't make the endeavor to come from the darkness to the light. In Bhagavatam it's stated that if a brahmana doesn't endeavor to cross over, if he doesn't endeavor for liberation, he's punishable for that. It's to be a karma khandya brahmana without coming to Vedanta. If one is stuck on the Vedas, if one is Vedavadarata, attached to the parts of the Vedas which recommend karmatmanam swargagatim, that fulfilling one's, being full of desire for going to, considering the heavenly planets the goal of life. They may think they're getting rewarded, and they may go, but they're punishable, actually, for not endeavoring to go up and out of this material world. And in the heavenly planets, there's also, it's Swarga Lokam Vishalam. The happiness in the heavenly planets is vast, but there's misery. People know, I'll have to fall down. And of course it's not guaranteed, even if one acts very piously, that one will go up. He may go down also. He may have a misunderstanding of what piety is, just like the brahmana who vowed never to tell a lie and went to hell for not telling a lie in a situation where he should have done. So it's all quite complex. Gahana karmano gatihi. It's all very difficult to understand all of this. Ashvatam enam suviruda mulam asanga shastrena durdena chitva. Where's the beginning of the banyan tree? You see an old banyan tree with so many roots. Where's the beginning? Where's the beginning? Just don't bother. Just cut it, detach, become detached. Cut this attachment to the material world. So exactly what happens after death, we don't know. But we know what happens at death. Mrityu sarva haraschaham. Krishna takes away everything that we have accumulated, gross and subtle. Krishna is a tirtha in the form of death. He crosses us over from one existence. Everything gross that we have accumulated, all the designations that we have accumulated, the misconceptions that we have accumulated. One may be a great philosopher with so many. Great philosopher means he has a sophisticated set of misconceptions, unless he is a real philosopher. He accepts Krishna tu Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So that's taken away. Big philosopher. And next life he becomes a mouse, for instance. And his philosophy is, where is cheese? Or where is grains? In the Western world, mice are known for being fond of cheese. Cheese, the English word, cheese. Which I don't think there's even a word for it in Tamil. In North India they say paneer, but it's not exactly cheese as you get in the Western countries. So anyway, the mouse, he gets a new set. But there is a continuation. Because the general conception is what is shariram yadavapnoti. What is the next line? Yat chap yud kramatisvaraha grihit vaitani sangyati vayon Vayor, I always get mixed up. Vayor Navam. It's Vayor Gandha Nivasayat. Yeah, I get mixed up with that other verse. We carry our conception, especially from life to life, and after going through the lower births, which may take a very long time, very, 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 very. If you want, you can take those veries and you can repeat it on the film when you make the recording, and do it for 10 minutes or so. Very long time. Very to the power of almost infinity. Infinity minus one. What's that? Infinity. Whoops. Anyway, it's a long time. And then we get a human birth, and then we continue with the same kind of disposition that we had in the previous life. So it's a continuation. It's not a complete crossing, but it's a crossing from one situation. And then again, birth. Mrityu sarvaharashchaham udbhavascha bhavishyatam. And again we get born again.